Welcome again to Osijek town, to Croatia, to European Championship in shooting 10 meters. Today's is the second day of final competition. We have on program air rifle mixed team for junior on 10 meters. With us is again Miss Margit Melma, sport director of Austrian national team. Welcome.
Thank you, Dubomir. Thank you.
Here we will see five the best of teams, mixed teams, juniors in qualification round was 14 teams, and here is the five best on line. Margaret, we have three medals from yesterday's finals. There are about three girls. We have gold one from Denmark, Grundosi Stefani, silver single junior woman from Germany.
Yes, she's the new European champion.
Yes.
Yes.
Anna Jansen, and a bronze single medal won yesterday from France, Miller Ocean Marianne. What's your opinion?
I think strong teams are in this final. It will be a very, very strange.
This is a new European champions from Denmark. Stefanie Laura Grundose.
Representing Germany's first team. She was the European champion of 2018.
This is a silver from yesterday from Germany, Anna Jansen.
Yes, she made the silver medal.
Silver medal in single competition.
At Junior World Cup 2018
With here in the mix is Maximilian Ulbrich, 19 years old.
On firing points D1 and D2, representing France's second team. Yesterday she was in
The second team of the France.
Miller.
Ocean Marion Miller, only 16 years old, but she bronze from yesterday single final.
Yes, great final that we have seen from her yesterday. With this young age, is really perfect.
It seems that girls are a little bit better than boys.
Yeah, it doesn't seem like it is like this, because in this age you can see the difference between boys and girls. The girls are in this age are more growing and are in their minds.
Faster grow up.
Yes, really. They feel older. Yes, like the boys.
In the shooting is experience, and that growing is very important.
Yeah.
And this is a Russia team, Grigory Shamakov. He was on fifth place yesterday on single
Yes, Grigory.
rifle
Yeah.
man junior. And with Grigory is Tatiana Karkova from Russia. Russia team was second in qualification.
Yes, with the second highest score of 833.6.
Yes. And the best result in qualifications have second team of France, Müller and Chris. They shot 835.8. It's very close again.
Yes, but the score in the qualification round doesn't matter now, because we start with 0 again, and now only these 24 shots per person will decide about the champion title. Yes.
We will start with the first 10 shots.
We start with 10 shots, 5 from each member, and the left shooter have to start, and then the right shooter have to follow, and then left and right again.
How many time they have?
They have a time limit of 5 minutes for all 10 shots together. And you can see all shooters, they are going now in their shooting position.
Yes.
And until the left shooter is prepare his shot, and when this shot is out, the right shooter can follow immediately. Look, here's Germany start with a 10.8.
Excellent start.
That's nice. You can see with the small flags on the shoulder which nation, which team is here on the screen. It's to see. Oh, look, Germany start perfect. 10.5 on the right shooter.
That flag on their shoulders is order of the federation to put it.
Yes, sometimes on the World Cup we have on the pocket, we have the flags on the pocket, so also very nice to see.
Yes, yes. France mixed team shooting the fastest.
But the German team works very, very well together.
Yes. They are leaders at this time.
Yes,
They have
52.
one shot more, but they have 52.4.
Here yes, here in the middle was the coach, the chief coach from France with the flag. We have seen her. Oh, the first, let me say, a little bit bad shot from Germany, a 9.3 at the moment. Because all other shots at the moment from Germany
Is over
was
the 10.
perfect. Yes.
Yes.
Very, very close.
Very consistent.
Yes. And Russia also very, very. If you saw the last, you can see here now the last 4 shots. They're perfect. They're really
They're
perfect.
grouping their shots. Yeah.
All more.
Tatjana Karkova and Grigori Shamakov.
So the France team is the fastest with 101.9 at the meantime. And Russia, they are growing up now. They have 2 more shots to do.
Team from Norway is Vegard Nordhagen and Mari Bartsen Lovset.
So German team also finished the first shots or the first series 103.3. So that's a good score, but Russia will be better. We're waiting for only one more shot from the Russian, from the right shooter. It was a 10.5.
Yes, Russia on the first place after first 10 shots, 104.5. It's 1.2 more than Germany. We're waiting for one more shot of Norway.
From Norway, yes, from the right shooter from Norway.
But it looks Norway stay on third place. Yes. Norway 10.6 last shot, and Norway is in the third place with 102.8 after first 10 shots.
Yes, and this final will going on with another 2 series. And then we start with the single shots, and after 2 single shots per member, we can decide place number 5. So we'll see how it's going on.
This is team of Russia, Shamakov and Karkova. Grigory Shamakov is very concentrated, focused on his next shot. I repeat that he was on 5th place, very good result on yesterday's finals of single air rifle for junior.
The applause was for the France team because they start perfect after the first 3 shots. They have 31.4, great result.
It's obviously battle between very good teams.
Yes, you see in the qualification round only the team from France was on top with nearly 2 points ahead, but all other 4 teams in this final, they are between 1 point.
Yes.
So that's nothing in our sport. So
that promises us
will be a great final for sure, because all are very, very high level shooters.
Yes. That will be very hard and emotional battle for medals here, as we saw yesterday on all 3 finals for juniors.
Yes, I think only the last final from Filip Nepechal. He was the leader still on the beginning.
From Czech Republic, yes.
He always stay in front, and the gap becomes bigger and bigger. It looks very from the beginning on that he maybe will be the champion, and it ends like this.
Yes.
But then we remember the first final yesterday.
Yes.
We had a shoot off. Oh, great! That's great for the spectators.
Yes. This is the Denmark team. Mikkel Damholt Hansen and the goal lady from Denmark, Stephanie Laura Grundosi. Russia team.
France very fast again. The second series 101.8. That's not a very high score. The first round was 101.9. They was in the middle with this result. They was on place number 4. At the moment they are at 5, but it's not over at the moment, the second series. And Denmark, they are going up. Let us see Denmark. After the first series, they was on 5, and now they are growing up and up and up. At the moment, they had only 1 more shot to do, but at the moment, they are on position number 3, so they make 2 places in this series. So let's see what the last shot, what she will do. Mary is the right shooter in this team. So, and she had a 10.7 from Denmark. They are back now, only 0.2 between 3 and 4. Denmark is at the moment at 4, but it brings 1 place more. And the Russian team still in leading position.
This is a table after first 20 shots.
Yes, and Germany also still on second position. Norway on 3, so there was only a change between 4 and 5 at the moment. But very close the result. We can see in the middle only 0.2 and 0.4 between Germany and Norway and Denmark, so they are very close.
Germany first shot in third round, 10.4. Denmark 10.5. Good starting of third series.
And Russia start with 10.8.
Excellent, excellent.
Yes.
they keep a good shooting.
Yes, Karkova, she's a very good shooter, Tatiana. We know her some years, and she's always very, very strong. She likes to fight. It looks like in the final she's always doing her best, really.
Yes.
Okay, and the man in front of her, 9.9, Shamakov.
Grigori, little bit lower.
Look
This
here, the
time.
Denmark team, great. The first 3 shots in the third series.
10.8 done for Denmark. Tatiana Karkova tried to find his best position.
You can see that she watched at him, that he watched at Gregory. She had to wait, and then she take her position. She looked to the diopter, and then she wait until she's stable enough.
She tried to find the best rhythm in a Russian team. This is a Norway team.
You can see that the man is on the left side, because we start in the qualification round that the woman had to be on the left side, and yesterday we saw that all ladies was on left side, no team
Yes.
change, but here the Norway team changed, so it could be that he is the faster one,
Yes.
or maybe I don't know what they are talking about or what they're thinking, but it could be that he's slower and she is faster. So it's really a tactic that they had to do.
Yes,
Yes, that they had to find out. So and now France, always the first 102.8. It's 1 point better than the second series. At the moment, after 3 final series, they have 306.5 France. Yes.
France, this is a second team of France, but tell you that no doesn't mean they are second.
No, that's only the name. If the team
Yes.
leader gives them the name 1 or 2 or something like this, and
Yes,
it's only tactic.
yes.
Yes.
That's not a B selection, but number 2
Yes, it's only
on
two
a
because
paper.
we
But
can only
maybe
send 2 teams,
Yes.
and
one team must be first on
Yes.
number 1
You-
and number
you can
2.
also do a draw. What they would like? Would you like to be 1
Yes.
team or 2 team? It's not a must that the strongest must be 1. Yes. For this competition, it's my federation is sorry about this, that we cannot send 3 teams, because now we have 1 woman and 1 boy. They are standing
Yes.
behind and have to look at this.
Let's see total number of points after
4 points in front of Germany.
third round.
First place.
30 shots on first place, team of Norway, Vegard Nordhagen and Mari Bartsen Offset, 313.1.
Single shots will say goodbye to
Between
For the next competition shot,
Yes, on the scoreboard, Russia is leading, Germany is
Yes,
second,
yes.
like before, but Denmark is coming up. Denmark, we remember in the first series it was 5, and then there was 4, and now they are on 3rd place. So they are coming up and coming up, but Norway is very close to them, only 0.2 behind. France, they was before on 4 in the first series, and then they going to 5, and they
good
still
start
stay.
for Anna Janssen from Germany. First shot 10.6. On leading this Russian team with 313.1. 4 points between Russian on first place and Germany. It's
stop.
It's a big difference.
Now it's 4.9 the difference, so
had 21
Russia can
points,
feel
and it is the
comfortable at the
Yes,
moment.
yes.
second place with now a difference of 4.9 points. In the fifth place right now is France behind Norway, following
Yes, it's
Poland
very close now.
with
The next shot will
0.6
decide
the next
place
shot
number
should
5,
decide
and it's very
which
close
team
between
will enter the
France,
second basket.
Norway, and Denmark.
For
All
the
three,
next
it's only
competition
0.6,
shot,
0.4,
low,
0.8. So the next two shots,
Now,
that's really
start.
pressure for them now, because you
yes,
see the screen in front of them. They know exactly where they are now, and they know
yes.
how
Now
strong
we'll
they
see
must be.
the
Yeah.
shooting to determine the third place between Norway and France.
France and Denmark too, because the results are close. Oh, look here, look here. Germany 9.9, France 9.8. Yes, but the lady, she do 10.9
Russia.
from Russia. They can feel relaxed now. They have
Yes.
4.9 a difference to the second place. And look, 10.9 from Norway. They really would like to stay
Stop.
in
And
this final.
congratulations
So, and
on the
it is
fifth place
decided.
and a big
Fifth place
applause
goes to
for
the team of
Team France,
France.
Osijek
France
and
end
Lucas.
this competition on third place.
Russia now ahead with 6.2 ahead of Germany. Norway now they are back on the third place.
Right now with a difference
They
now
are back on the third place, and Denmark is
6.2 in
going
front of
to
Germany and in
fourth place,
second
but the
place.
different
In
only
the fourth place is
0.2. So
Denmark
this
following
this these are
Norway with
close,
a
close.
small
Denmark on
difference of
4 with
only
0.2 ahead, Norway
Yes.
and Germany only
For the next
0.6 ahead
competition
of Norway.
shot,
So these
low,
results
Okay.
are close.
Russian is on the first place. Hard to
start.
catch them because Russian team have
6 points.
6.2
They can
different,
relax. They can
but
relax.
battle for silver and bronze medal was
Mhm.
great.
German team that you hear, that's
Excellent
Anna.
job.
Anna was the first with
Anna
10.8.
Anna Jansen,
Yeah.
yes, 10.8. Anna Jansen is silver single yesterday the final. Silver girls.
Oh, I see a 9. 9.6 from Russia team, but doesn't. Oh, 8.8 from the German guy.
Two bad shots.
Yes, from Maximilian Ulrich. He had a 8.8. Oh, so at the moment it's only we had another one shot to decide place number 4. We had another one shot, so it isn't decided at the moment. But the difference between Norway and Germany is only 0.1. 0.1.
0.1.
For the next competition shot, low, start.
This is a young Ocean Marion from France. With him, with his teammate catch a 5th place in mix, but yesterday she was bronze in a single rifle 10 meters in European Championship in Osijek in Croatia. This is a fight to determine the 4th place. Winner
We had a shoot-off.
shoot off
Look,
again.
Dalibor, we had a shoot-off between Norway and Denmark. Oh, oh, oh.
Denmark
What's going on? What's
The
going
next
on?
moment
Yes, they was so close.
is only for team
Like yesterday, we got a shoot off for bronze medal.
for the
Also in the
shoot
mixed
of
team
the
event,
shot,
the first air
low,
pistol mixed team event, our first final that we had
Yes.
together, that we have seen yesterday, was also
start.
with the shoot-off. And you see this kind of final, the spectators like this. They like the
Yes,
shoot-off.
yes.
They like the pressure. This fight, this kind of fight. And they also had to wait for the left shooter at first. 10.6 and 9.0,
For Denmark.
10.6 and 10.3.
Three for
That's
Denmark.
great. And Norway It's 20.9. Oh, she takes time. She takes time. She's full. Oh, look here.
She's a little bit nervous.
Yes, for sure, for sure.
That's normal for this time. Can she shot medal bronze or not?
Stop. Sorry.
And with a difference of 0.7, the fourth place goes to Norway.
Yes. Denmark win this battle for bronze medal.
Yes, Norway was very, very long on position number 3 after the first, second series.
They finish, yes, Norway
now
finish
fourth place.
this competition, this final of European Championship in Osijek on fourth place.
So now Denmark, Germany and Russia, they had for sure, they had a medal. But
Yes.
we'll see which color, which team will go with which kind of color.
It's only a question between silver and bronze medal.
Yes.
Who will Germany?
Between
Denmark?
Germany and Denmark, it's only 0.4 the difference
Yes.
for these two teams.
Russian team is like a sure gold one. We'll see in a few minutes.
Yes, with the advantage of 6.3 from the Russian team, for the Russian team. So, Tatjana had to do her shot at first, but she's waiting, she's full concentrated.
Only 4
And
shots
Tatjana
between the
10.7, she's
Yes.
perfect, she's really perfect.
only 3 shots to the gold medal for Russia.
And we have our bronze
Russia have
Denmark.
glorious 7.2.
No, we had one more shot. I think she was wrong. We had always 2 shots per person, 4 together. So,
Yes, yes.
oh yes, now they make a correction. It wasn't. It's too early for. She was too early. She was too fast. Oh, they leave the position, but. So I hope they will found the concentration again. She was a little bit too fast.
For the next competition shot,
One more shot. Denmark now is 0.9 behind Germany.
start.
We're expecting the determination between bronze and silver medal between Denmark and Germany.
Oh, Germany is perfect. Anna started at 10.8 and Michael 9.9 and 10.7. Oh, that's great from the German man, from Maximilian Ulbrich. So, great scores, really, really.
Now, let's congratulate our bronze medalist,
Yes.
Denmark.
Denmark is the bronze
Denmark.
medal winner. I think they
They-
are happy for this.
Yes, they are very happy.
Look,
Yes.
that's great. That's great. Yes, and now we
That
had now the 3 single shots for the last for the decide of the gold medal. We had now 3 single shots. Look here, they are happy. It's okay
they
for
are
them.
very happy.
Yeah.
They are bronze have a
Yes, I think.
goldy shine.
Yeah. And every medal on a European or World Championship or wherever, every medal is very, very great for
It's perfect for these young
yes.
ladies and
Yeah,
boys.
yeah. Yes, you see the Russian, they like to make noise.
Noise, yes.
And the Russian shooters also like this. I remember some competitions that it's so loud, it was so loud, but they like it. Look, German team is ready, and the Russian team had only the first shot. Oh, okay. Grigori was also fast.
It's a big difference between them, but
So, but this was the first shot. We had another two shots from each member
for each
to do.
member to do.
Yeah. This is a very special rule that on the end are three shots from each member,
Yes.
from each team member. But it's also 24 shots like in the single
Yes,
final.
yes.
So.
Russians start to celebrate in public. You know?
Yeah.
I must say that after first day, Russia Federation have 8 medals in all competitions. It was 4 gold, 2 silver and 2 bronze medal. After them Ukraine with 3 medals, 1 gold, 1 silver and 1 bronze. And the other,
it looks like that at the moment that
yes,
in a few seconds they will have 1 more gold.
1 more gold for Russian after yesterday's 8 medals. And after Russia and Ukraine, we have after yesterday's first day of final, we have 8 other countries for 1 medal.
So Germany starts Anna with a 10.5. She's always fast and strong.
Russia 10.1.
And Maximilian Ulbrich 10.2. So perfect score. Look here, it's a new European junior
yes.
record.
It's a
Congratulations.
the second new European record for juniors on this European Championship. Yesterday Czech
Philip Nepichal. He also
Nepichal,
had done
yes,
a new final record.
with gold medal.
With
he had-
252.0.
Yes.
Was the score.
The same discipline, air rifle on Team Mitris, single junior. The gold medal absolutely deserved this Russian team. Grigory Shamako is very happy after yesterday's 5th place on single competition. They have a gold in his hand.
They are a strong team together. They are a strong team.
Tatiana Karkova doing great job,
Yes.
but the Grigory also was very good.
In the last year, you can see that the Russian team changed. The young shooters, they are coming. They are more friendly. They are more often. They are coming to you. They are talking with you. They speak English. It was not all the time. I remember some years ago that
Yes.
Russian was not easy, but now they are very nice people. Let me say like this.
Yeah. Gold medal go to Russia, Grigory Shamako and Tatiana Karkova. Silver medal for Anna Jansen, the second medal for her on this championship, and her partner Maximilian Ulbrich. And bronze medal go to Denmark. Another medal for Stephanie Laura Grundose and his partner Mikkel Damhod Hansen.
Yes,
Margaret, it was a great shooting and a great final.
Yes. It was. Thank you, Dalibor.
Thank you,
for
Margaret.
this nice time, and see you again in maybe 2 hours at 2 o'clock for the next
Yes,
final.
you will be with us again on European Championship in Osijek in Croatia.
Okay, bye.
Bye bye.